Now I will explain how to use AV Lead-Length to capture the NG lifted lead of IC and connector. Now you can see here has been generated many windows of the IC. How to generate for these windows automatically? I will make another video for illustrating later. Here we just to know how the principle of how to use AS-AV-Lead-Length to capture the NG of lifted lead. Now the can name is a dry joint because lifted lead also easy to cause dry joint. Of course, you also can change its kind name in NG type of system setup. For lighting, please see a lighting. You can easily see this light as a too bright part. Now it's not very good, so please move your mouse arrow to right upper corner and right click. You can select light in here. Firstly, look around to find a good one. I think outline is not bad, so you can set outline and add 3 as a lighter. Then move the window to cover the whole of the LED. Yes. Then here is setting for LED top area. This is determining the size of the yellow window. You should set a data that can make sure the broken line of yellow broken line window can cover the first part. In other words, is LED top area. 15. And search range is 10. I think is appropriate. LED base maybe a little bigger, 15. And search range also good. About how to set search range, the principle is to make sure those windows can cover the LED top area and the LED base well, because 2 points determine a line. If you can cover this 2 points, the window can capture the LED length correctly and accurately. Then you can set -5 to 5 as OK range. That means if the offset of the row of the average LED length of the row, it will be offset longer than longer 5 unit or shorter than 5 unit will be alarmed as lifted LED, because the algorithm will calculate every row average LED length firstly, then to calculate sample value as an offset of each LED from the average LED length. Too longer and too short will be alarmed. Now don't forget P copy. Then jump the last one of the row. Because any inspection window related to IC LED, if you set first one of the row and last of the row, those middle LED will be windows will be arranged automatically and accurately. Then jump one by one. Please set appropriate window can cover it well. It is very important to calculate. Jump. Yes. Okay, finished. Now you can very easy check one by one. Sample value, that means 1 unit longer than the lifted lead. If out of the range, will be alarmed. Sometimes I think for this type of lead, -5 to +5 is good. Of course, detailed setting should be based on customers' criteria. If very strict criteria, please maybe -3 to +3. If their criteria not very strict, keep -5 to +5. I think that's good enough. Okay, that's all. How use AS-AV-Lead-Length to capture the NG lifted lead of the IC and connector.